And like I said, I'm running out of time, but we're going to launch. I'm launching this as well, and we're going to go through this very, very quickly.
And let's preface this with, remember, we can download the CSV and see who's ranking against you, number one, and what the latitude longitude of that is.
Correct.
And it's down, we have all of that via CSV file. So as we're jumping into this, let's just everyone keep that as a frame of reference.
Right. Let's see if I can actually log in. So how many of you guys use, oh great, driving directions? Can you give me a driving directions? Yes, no, maybe? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so driving directions are not at this time, right? No service, blah, blah, blah. Okay, here's why we want to use driving directions. Let me reverse this. Somebody tell me, why do we want to use driving directions in our GMBs? Why do we want to use driving directions? Somebody tell me. Show interest, show proximity, show common areas, right? Another ranking factor. Keith can answer that. All right, Keith, answer it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Service areas, okay? And
expand your area, that's a good one.
Expand your area. Yeah, Bruce, that's awesome, right? So all of those are absolutely great answers, okay? And like I said, we're going to do another one of these. I don't have time right now because I only have about another 10 minutes. But we picked this up, and this is pretty interesting. And Brian, you've used this before, right?
Yes, correct.
So why don't you just kind of tell people what we're doing, how we're using it. And the interesting thing here is not only do we have driving, but we have walking directions, we have cycling directions, we have transit directions, and we have flying directions. And something is melting on my screen.
That's not good.
Did you see that?
No,
You can still see...
I can still see your screen.
Oh shit, I can't. It looked like fire came across my screen and it's black.
That's totally not good. I still see your screen though.
That's working.
CPU burnout is right.
Oh.
Nope. You're right at the business name. So basically what we're doing here.
Flip. Okay, I'm in freaking out mode right now. Go ahead.
All right. Just leave it right there. We're good. So the entire idea here is that with your driving directions, you're painting a picture for Google and for search into basically for geographic location. And what you're doing is you're saying, okay, we're X number of miles away from this prominent point of interest. We're X number of miles away from perhaps your competitor. And what you can do is you can use these driving directions to point signals back to your location. So the idea behind this is that we can take the output from Map Pin Factory, and just as Patrick mentioned, we'll have to do another webinar about this, but keep this in mind. You can take your Map Pin Factory, we have that CSV export, and now we can use all of those locations, be it competitor, be it a point of interest with with the POI factory here, but we can start painting a better picture to say, here's where we're at. We're located in relation to all of these other these other businesses or these map frames of reference. Here's where we're at. With the POI factory, we're also then able to jump in here. We can put in different types of a radii, or how far away do we want these points of interest. We can also throw in keywords and anchor text with this. And then one of the outputs with it is bulk iframes with these driving directions in them.
What can you do with bulk iframes?
We'll just let them chew on that for a minute.
I'm looking at a pitch black screen, so I'm clueless, dude. This is freaking out. This is amazing. So anyway,
And to answer your question, Rusty, the POI only worked with brick and mortar GMBs. You can still use it for service area businesses,
correct.
but what you have to do is just keep in mind that because you don't have a central point, it's going to target whatever the center of your lat long, either it's your lat long or the center of the city, wherever that's being shown as.
So a lot of what we were using it for when we were testing it, Brian, right, was you want to get your competitors, CSV files because you want to have driving directions because Google sees, they're already ranked for that keyword. You can different keywords. You want to go to the museum. You want to go to the local Starbucks, right? You want to go, to the local marina. All of the points of interest, right?
Yep. Have all of your directions from your competitors to you, and now you're a online directory, if you will.
Correct.
Here's how to get from competitor A to me.
Right.
Competitor B to me. Competitor C to me.
So, yeah, it's very, very powerful. And the one thing that I like really, really about this is the walking and the cycling and the transit. That is really cool. Flying, I could care less about. Matter of fact, I'm going to probably take it off. But those local indicators, like how long it takes to walk from, your business to the local coffee shop, really makes a big difference. And when you're using, the iframe, now you can utilize that in Mega Cloud. You can use that in Ranking Factory, right? Just exponentially can be used with all of our tools. And from the minimal tests that we've done so far, it makes a difference. So you know what I'm going to do, because I'm totally freaked out right now about what's going on. If somebody sends me an email at support@therankingstore.com, I want 10 people right now to put in a price, how much you'll pay for it right now if the sales page did not exist. Forget what's on the sales page. Just give me a price. Tell me what they are, Brian. I'm freaking out. This is pissing me off.
I'm not seeing anything yet.
Give me a price. What will you be willing to spend right now today to do this?
$299 lifetime, $150. I feel like an auctioneer. Geez. $1 plus shipping. Does it come with Prime?
No.
Does it come with Prime? 100 lifetime.
Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. Let's do this. Anybody that sends me an email.
Brazilian dollars. Brazilian.
Right. How about $49?
Okay.
Okay. Send me an email.
A month?
No, I'm going to do that for right now. That's just one time, not even the annual that we have for it to keep the server going. One time, $49.
And just for clarification, this is POI factory, not map pin factory.
Have I mentioned that? Are we on that page?
Nope, just wanted to double check. We just clarifying.
Okay, send me an email.
So POI
@therankingstore.com. In the subject line, POI $49. And in that email, I need your name, your email address, and I will create your membership and send you a password. Today, $49 today.
Yep, Terry's a buyer.
That's it, $49. Son of a bugger, I gotta go buy a brand new TV now. Okay? I want to sell 50 of them. $49. Come on. Who's in?
So support. So everyone out here, support@therankingstore.com.
Yeah, can you type that in the chat for me?
I'm gonna do that. Support@therankingstore.com.
$49.
POI 49 is what you want?
Yep, in the subject line, POI 49. Let's do it. Damn. I think somebody planted a bomb in here for me just because they knew it pissed me off.
You can't say bomb.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right.
All right, hopefully everyone's got that. Light it up with some ones.
Tell me if you're buying. I need 50 people. Come on. There's no reason why you can't spend 49 bucks for this. This is awesome. Sick, all these iframes and everything that you're doing. You got the CSV file from map pins. This also, you can upload your own personal CSV file, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here's what you could do. You can go to your local area and you could take your cursor and you can just, click on the library, boom, you've got the pinpoint. You just create your own, personal pinpoints that you want to have driving directions to. And then we can upload it and we'll make sure that it works for you. And now I do have to make these licenses manually. We don't have, this is not through PKS and it's not a license system that way. It's an internal licensing system. So you send those out to me and I promise, what's today, Thursday? On Monday, I'll have all the licenses made. $49 POI. How many people said yes?
We got a bunch.
Bunch doesn't tell me anything. The bunch of bananas is, I can go to the store and get a bunch of bananas.
More than I can scroll up and see.
All right. But, because I went to the store the other day for a bunch of bananas, there were 3. And on the other side, there were a bunch of bananas for 9. I'm like,
you're talking organic.
Yeah, organic, right? All right. Enough. Everybody have fun today?
Yep, just everyone. So you've got it. support@therankingstore.com. Subject line POI 49.
POI 49. Cool beans, man.
Awesome. Thanks everyone for joining us today. We appreciate it.
And we
have
will,
a great one.
We're going to take that. We're going to take that to heart, right, Brian? And we're going to do some. How do you use the pin tool for those that buy it? We'll do some real in-depth more training about how to do it, what the strategies are, how we use our tools, what tools we can use, so that it becomes a really, really good, successful tool in your toolbox for intelligence and for ranking. Obviously, not in itself is a ranking tool, like Brian said. It's a rank checker. But if you know where you are and what to do, you know how to get to the next place and how to be better, correct?
Absolutely.
All right.
Cool.
All right.
So we just have a couple questions before we sign off.
Okay.
As far as the map pin factory, so the pricing page is up right now, and it sounds like you're going to be working on a combo price, correct?
Yes. So I think the best thing to do there is
make sure Patrick has your email and probably send out an email once combo price is up.
Yeah, for those that want the combo, send me an email and in the subject line, pin combo. So that when we put this together, I know that I can send it to you guys directly right away. And we'll also, put it up on the, I got to think about this. I really do. But for those of you that want it, I will create it and I'll get with the developer on doing that. I'm just not sure I want to do this on a big scale. I could get really buried on the SADs.
Yeah.
But I will do it for everybody that's here that sends me the email that wants the combo. We will create it and we'll make it for you because we love you, we care for you, we want to do what is best for you. I got to really sit and think about whether or not I want to offer this, to the world. But that's the time to come. Right now we're good. All right, everybody good with that? Right? support@therankingstore.com. Subject line pins combo, and then I'll work that out. And by Monday, you guys will have a have a buy button for pins combo for the, I guess it was for the lifetime, was it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm
Yep.
gonna actually make pins combo for all three of them as
Okay.
well. Somebody may not, want to have that, pay that kind of money for lifetime, but they'll do for the monthly combo, or they'll do this. So I'll make combo pins for all three. Okay.
Cool.
All right, dude. Thank you. I really appreciate it. And as always, hope everybody that is here today learned something. Number one, that's always our goal. And number two, had some fun. And we didn't bore you to death. Okay.
Cool.
All right.
Sounds good.
Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thank you,
Awesome.
Brian.
Yep. Any other questions, hit us up in the Skype groups, guys.
Okay. See ya. Bye-bye. You have to turn it off because I can't see it.
Sounds good.
Hey, see you later. Wow. This is freaky.